What's he building in there?
The United States will implement reciprocal tariffs on other nations.
Wall Street taking major hits over the last week.
What the hell is he building in there?
And the suspicion that some people are getting very rich by trading on inside information.
He's hiding something from the rest of us.
15 minutes before that Donald Trump post, a very big trade.
Since 2025, or the beginning of the Trump presidency, insider trading is no longer a private matter. Insider trading has now gone public. Today I'm going to tell you why that is. This video isn't about politics, but rather it's about timing, money, and patterns.
In the minutes before President Trump's announcement Monday that the U.S. would postpone strikes against Iranian energy targets, traders suddenly bet hundreds of millions of dollars on oil prices falling, which is exactly what they did.
Now, everything I'm speaking about here as far as insider trading is alleged, but what I will do is I will show you the data, March 23rd, 2026. Around 6:49 a.m., a sudden spike in futures trading happened. Now mind you, 6:49 a.m. is well before market open. Trump makes a post 15 minutes later, around approximately 7:05 a.m. Almost as if he let them know, I'm going to make this post in 15 minutes. Allegedly, or approximately between 6:49 and 6:50 a.m., about 6,200 Brent and West Texas Intermediate futures contracts changed hands with a notional value of $580 million, according to Financial Times. The question is, who put those trades in? Other questionable trades happened on March 9th, 2026. A 47-minute window existed between massive bets on falling oil prices and a report on Trump's interview where he signaled the war was very complete. On April 7th, traders placed an estimated $950 million bet on falling oil prices hours before a 2-week ceasefire was announced. April 17, 2026, a $760 million bet against oil was executed roughly 20 minutes before Iran's foreign minister announced the Strait of Hormuz would remain open. Now, another theory behind this isn't just that insider traders are trying to get rich or that some type of collaboration with the White House is at hand, but others have theorized that they're trying to give the illusion that oil is cheaper than what it actually is. For example, on paper, making us believe that oil is around $100 a barrel, when in fact, oil is $130 a barrel, physical oil. We see this same dilemma when it comes to gold and silver prices, whereas the price of gold and silver are heavily manipulated. In addition to accusations of insider trading, Donald Trump Jr. and Eric Trump took heavy stakes in drone company Pyrrhus, just prior to the Pentagon announcing a $75 billion budget increase for drone technology. And this is just $75 billion increase for the fiscal year of 2027. The Trump brothers also hold a stake in Extend, an AI-powered platform for mission-critical operations. This AI technology is used in conjunction with drone technology for military operations. The Trump family has also been criticized in other sectors of the finance world, such as crypto. On October 10, 2025, President Trump announced an additional 100% tariff on China. Many people have given notion that Barron Trump put in a very large short prior to this announcement being made, allegedly. Barron Trump, at 19 years old, reportedly raked in $80 million from Bitcoin and crypto investments in 2025, pushing his net worth to $150 million. While everybody has been ranting and raving about oil futures markets, on April 23, 2026, President Trump announced that they were rescheduling marijuana to a Schedule 3.
December 18th, you signed an executive order on increasing medical marijuana and cannabidiol research, and today we delivered on that promise. The acting attorney general this morning signed an order that moves into Schedule 3.
On April 22nd, there was a huge surge in call options. One day before the announcement, investors bought 40,207 call options on Canopy Growth, a 61% increase over the typical trading volume. Trump announced about 4 months ago that they were speculating he was going to sign an executive order to reschedule cannabis. Prior to that, there was a huge increase in trading volume as well, where the top blew off, followed by a big short. We are in a day and age where the main catalyst is no longer data or news. The main catalyst is now the president's posts. So, what can we do with all this information? Now, this is not financial advice. However, I will tell you what I'm going to do. As a result of all this market manipulation and volatility and uncertainty, the price of gold has become volatile. I am taking advantage of the volatility. Every dip I am buying, every crash I am buying.
I don't really care. I just care about legacy and greatness.
We are in a day and age of stagflation. This is the safest hedge to have for your money, for your wealth that you are stacking and storing. In addition, I will be stacking cash and looking for opportunities in the market, whether it's in the equities market or the real estate market. With the price of commodities being manipulated and us living in a stagflation era, much opportunity will present itself in the very near future. The question isn't whether the system is fair. The question is, will you know how to play it when the opportunity presents itself?
It's not about me, it's about millions of Americans who can't put food on the table, who can't pay the rent,
and
who are
we
having
represent
trouble,
them,
who
and we
are
represent them,
getting
and
by
we
on
represent
these
them,
long food
and we
lines that we're
represent
seeing.
them.
I know
we
you
know
are.
them.
I'm just saying.
We represent them, and we know them.
As we
We
say,
know them. We represent them.
don't let
yes.
the perfect